Because if you're a good boy and behave, your daddy will love you and always listen to him. Okay? Because it is good for you, Apollo. Maraming lamok dito. There's a lot of mosquitoes.
Yeah, they're like our pets.
Huh? It's insect, you know. It's not a pet.
They're like our little
Yeah.
stingy buddies.
Steam buddies. Ay. Meron pa palang song. Another song pa pala.
And then, I think that's a funeral.
What?
I think that's a funeral or someone's brain being damaged.
Oh, hindi naman.
Oh, no, no.
Ginagat ka naman, kalamok. Siguro hindi ka lumalabas sa bahay niyo.
Huh?
Hindi ka lumalabas sa bahay niyo.
I don't.
You always inside.
Yeah.
You didn't go outside to play.
But if my dad needs me, if sometimes me and my dad goes, it's almost all nearly always my dad brings me somewhere.
Oh. Playing with other kids you don't like?
Hmm?
You don't like outside in your house?
There's no
You didn't play
no.
with other kids? Really? Why?
No.
You know why?
Wow.
It's good to play other kids, to have a socialize, to be socialized to them.
I'm socialized.
But you have a lot of friends?
Yeah.
Really?
I lost
At
one.
school?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
But in your neighborhood, there's no kids there.
Nope.
No? You're only the kid?
No, there's a lot of kids, but they don't want to play with me.
Why? They want to play with you because you are good in English. Their nose bleeding when they play with you.
Some of them are brain damage.
Ah.
Some of them are brain dead.
Me also, nose bleeding.
But why isn't
You
you
did
know?
it? You see it?
Why isn't you know? Why? Where's the red?
Where's the red?
My mom has type
It's
O.
invisible.
Is that type NN?
What an
I have type AB. My mom has type O. And
blood type.
Which-
Me is A plus. A plus.
invisible blood.
Oh yeah.
Visible blood is your type.
No.
Then
A positive. That's my blood type.
where's the red then? Where's the dark
It's
red?
invisible. What is
That-
your blood type?
AB.
AB?
It's a beautiful blood.
It's a beautiful blood. But a rare